push pop. It's a Easter push pop one.
Whoa!
Where do you think, Lily? Where do you think the bunny might hide your basket down here? Ooh, good guess though. Behind the couch.
I'm gonna go help her. I'm helping you, Lily. The Easter bunny could go in the bathroom. Here, can you hold my bag with your other hand? We'll go to that push pop too, so it doesn't fall.
Lily, did you look behind all the couches?
Oh, there it is! There it is! We found Lily's bag. And hers is all about Hello Kitty. Oh, no, Lily thinks about things. And a push pop!
Wow.
And I got my own pet!
Boy, the Easter Bunny's pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah. He likes him, but he makes stuff. He probably invented that Easter bunny.
You want to open yours?
Yeah. Me too. Dad, can you help me?
Sure.